Hey guys, it's Kate, and today we are going to be making slushy slime. Now, this is my friend Ashlyn, and what you will need for this is Persil laundry detergent, a bowl, a mixing tool, slushy beads, and glue. Now, be careful with the slushy beads and also you can get food coloring. But that is optional. So be careful with the slushy beads because they'll get everywhere. So let's get started. So first, I'm just gonna pour your glue in. Ashlyn, if you will hold the bowl. And you don't have to do a lot, but I am doing a lot since I have lots of glue. So
A gallon, precisely.
yeah. Okay. And then we are going to add food coloring. Ashlyn, if you will do the honor.
Yay!
3, 1, 2, 3. That's fine. Okay. And then first I'm going to stir. So there. Right here. And then just stir. I need some more. I need some more. Beautiful. My work is beautiful. And you can get if it's too dry, you can get more laundry detergent. If it's too wet, get cornstarch. And that's okay if cornstarch is not in your it's fine, you just wash it. It's okay if cornstarch is not in your recipe, and just it'll still be fine. And next you will want to add your laundry detergent. Gosh, that's too much. Okay, Ashlyn, if you will stir that. And you can always add some more laundry detergent.
One time I was making slime
Okay. Now a little bit more. And since I have a lot of glue, I'm obviously going to be adding a lot of laundry detergent. Okay, that's fine.
Just
Okay. Now, once it sticks to the spoon, that's when you know that it'll be ready.
well, coming off the sides.
Yeah, or coming off the sides. So next, as I was warning you earlier, be careful with this. Because Ashlyn, if you will do the honor of kneading it.
It's so cold.
Okay.
So cold.
And then you will want to knead it. Now you want to get it like in the slime part, in the slime thing first.
Like
You want to
make
get
the
it like
slime.
make the slime. Then you'll want to add the slushy bits. So
So cold.
okay, so also if you haven't seen any other of my videos, go down and watch them and make sure to subscribe. And if you want to learn any more videos, or if you have any requests, just type down in the comments below. So Ashlyn's kneading this very gooey slime. I'll take that now. Oh gosh, it's still wet. It's still wet. Get some glue. It's like so much glue.
I don't want to get it on your bed
You're not gonna get it on the way. Just pour it in here and then like dip it. Ashlyn,
I don't know.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, now if you need to add some more glue, you can do so. Okay, now, Ashlyn, carefully, very carefully, get the slushy beads. Now, third warning. Be careful. No, don't pour 'em. Be careful. It grabs onto you. It's like it has its own mind. So be careful. Be careful. Okay. Now, Ashlyn, do it. Not in there, silly.
Oh.
Well, I mean that'll work, but like, do it. Do it.
In my hand?
No. Just do it in the bowl. In the bowl. Okay. Now you can pour it in the bowl or in your hand. I prefer in the bowl because that's less messy. Ah! So it looks really weird right now. Easy. And you won't need as many slushy beads because these are obviously pretty big than regular beads. So you'll just knead it some more. Then once you're done, you have new slime.
I have a tiny piece.
So guys, thank you so much for watching, and make sure you go down in the comments below and add requests and gives it a thumbs up and subscribe down to my channel in the description box. Bye!